Let's learn Turn Up the Night. It's choreographed by Jace Hinton and myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Turn Up the Night. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to point our right toe forward. You're now going to point your left toe to the left side. You're going to quickly step your right next to your left and point your left toe to the left side. We're going to hold and clap our hands. You're now going to quickly step your left next to your right. Do 2 walks forward, stepping right, left, and then a right shuffle forward, stepping right, forward, left together, right, forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your points. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto our right. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, rocking your left foot to the left side and recover onto your right. You're now facing 9 o'clock. You're going to do a left sailor step, crossing your left behind your right, right foot to the right side, step left to the left side, and now you're going to weave, crossing your right behind your left, left foot to the side, and cross your right over your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right. You're doing your rock forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a big step to the left, dragging our right toe into our left. Do a ball cross, bringing that right foot in and next to your left and crossing your left over your right. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to scuff your left heel on the floor, and as you do that scuff, you want it to slightly cross over your right. Then you're going to cross your left over your right. We're going to quickly step back with our right and then step your left next to your right. When you do this, you can slightly push your hips back, and then you're going to step forward with your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our weave. We're going to do our big step to the left. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, you're going to step forward with your left foot. Half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock, and then you're going to do a left shuffle forward, stepping left, forward, right, together, left, forward. We're now going to do a full turn, turning over our left shoulder. You're going to make a half turn, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to return to 6 o'clock. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, rocking your right foot to the right side and recover onto your left to face 3 o'clock, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our back step. Weights on your right foot. You're going to do your step half pivot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance, and you would start all over with your point forward right after you rock and recover. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your point. Point forward, side ball, point, clap ball, walk, walk, shuffle forward. Rock forward, recover, quarter side rock, recover, sailor, step, and weave. Side drag, ball cross, quarter scuff, cross back together, forward, step, half pivot, shuffle forward, half, half, quarter rock, recover. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your point. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance. So now your final wall will be wall 10, which will be your 3 o'clock facing wall. You will dance the full 32 counts to come to the back wall. And after you do your half, quarter rock, recover, you're going to add on an ending so that you can end facing 12 o'clock, because there is about 4 counts left of the music before it completely ends. So the ending will just be Stepping forward with your right foot, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock and hold. And then you're going to quickly step out, out, right, left, out, out. And that is the end of the dance. So the counts for it would be 1, 2, hold, 3, and 4. And then you will end facing 12 o'clock. I like to be kind of sassy, put my hands on my hips. You can kind of just hop out, out, or you can do anything extra that you would like to do on that part if you would like to add some extra fun into the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight's going to be on your left foot. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance so that you can kind of practice how it flows. Starting with your point forward with your right. It's point, side point, ball, point, clap, ball, walk, walk, shuffle forward. Rock forward, recover, quarter side, rock, recover, sailor, step, now weave. Side drag, ball cross, quarter scuff, cross back together, forward. Step, half pivot, shuffle forward. Half, half quarter rock, recover, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Point, point, ball, point. Clap, ball, walk, walk, shuffle forward. Forward, rock, quarter side, rock, sailor, step, and weave. Side drag, ball cross, quarter scuff, cross back together, forward. Step, half pivot, shuffle forward. Half, half quarter side, rock, recover. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. You'll dance all the way through until wall 10, where you will add on the ending to the end of the full 32 counts to face the front. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice as much as you would like so that you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Turn Up the Night. If you have any questions, let me know.
New truck, big lift, old roads, we've been turned up since way back when. These wheels are innocent. New hitch, new seats, no hit story, and you just can't fake that, so let's change that. Girl, let's go put some miles on it. Back of the Chevy with the engine running. Just you and me in a truck bed wide like a California king. We could break it in if you know what I mean. Put some miles on it. Back of the Chevy with the engine running. Just you and me in a truck bed wide like a California king. We could break it in if you know what I mean. Put some miles on it. We could break it in if you know what I mean. All night, no brakes, all tail, no gate. Ain't gotta try too hard. My baby's pushed to start. All torque, full speed, off-road on me. 0 to 100 fast. My foot ain't touched the gas. I said, hey baby, slow it down, let's make it last. You said, where's the fun in that? Yeah, let's go put some miles on it. Back of the Chevy with the engine running. Just you and me in a truck bed wide like a California king. We could break it in if you know what I mean. Put some miles on it. We could break it in if you know what I mean. Put some miles on it. We could break it in if you know what I mean. Mile after mile after mile after mile. Turn up the night like that radio dial. Shoulder to shoulder when nobody knows. Know where we're going, we ain't going on. We're putting miles on it. Back of the Chevy with the engine running. Just you and me in a truck bed